Welcome back to my channel, where we take on exciting topics that help you in practical life. Today, we are going to talk about the must-know driving rules for Indian highways. Whether you are a new driver or an experienced one, these rules apply to everyone and help ensure your safety on the road. In India, roads are usually overcrowded, but driving in the city and on highways is different. Let's take a look at the basic rules that must be followed while driving on Indian highways. Driving license. Ensure you have a valid driving license appropriate for the type of vehicle you are driving. Speed limits. Adhere to the speed limits set for different types of vehicles and road conditions. Speed limits are usually indicated by signboards. Lane discipline. Maintain proper lane discipline and avoid unnecessary lane changes. Use the rightmost lane for slower moving vehicles and the left lanes for overtaking. Overtaking. Overtake only from the right side of the vehicle ahead. Signal your intention to overtake, check for sufficient space, and complete the maneuver safely. Do not overtake near intersections, curves, or other dangerous areas. Use indicators. Use your vehicle's indicators to signal your intentions when changing lanes, turning, or merging with traffic. Seatbelts. Ensure that you and all passengers in the car wear seatbelts at all times. Use rear-view mirrors. Regularly check your rear-view and side mirrors for vehicles approaching from behind or in the adjacent lanes. Use of headlights. Use headlights during low visibility conditions such as fog, rain, or at night. Dip your headlights while driving in the presence of oncoming vehicles. No drunk driving. Never drive under the influence of alcohol or drugs. It is both illegal and extremely dangerous. Mobile phones. Avoid using mobile phones while driving. If necessary, use a hands-free device to make or receive calls. Follow traffic signals. Obey traffic signals, signs, and road markings. Stop at red lights and give way to pedestrians and emergency vehicles. Maintain safe distance. Maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead to allow for sudden braking or emergencies. Follow the 2-second rule by keeping a distance of at least 2 seconds from the car in front of you. Use horn wisely. Use the horn sparingly and only when necessary to alert other drivers of your presence or to avoid a potential collision. Emergency breakdowns. In case of a breakdown, move your vehicle to the side of the road, turn on hazard lights, and use reflective triangles or other warning devices to alert other drivers. Be alert and focused. Stay attentive. Avoid distractions and keep your full focus on the road. Watch out for pedestrians, animals, and other potential hazards. Follow road etiquette. Show respect to other road users. Be patient and avoid aggressive or reckless driving behaviors. Remember, specific rules and regulations may vary based on the state and region within India. It's advisable to familiarize yourself with the local traffic laws and guidelines before driving on highways in any particular area. If you can keep these simple rules in mind, your journey will be fantastic. That's it. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy your drive.